Picture this. You need to plan a trip from New York to a tech conference in Tokyo. Normally you'd juggle flight searches, hotel bookings, calendar checks, and endless tabs. It's tedious, time-consuming, and easy to mess up. Now imagine telling your AI assistant, "Book me a trip to the Tokyo Tech Conference next month. Find a good flight, a hotel near the venue, and keep it within my budget." Then you walk away. Minutes later you get a notification. Your flight and hotel are booked, your calendar is updated, and your itinerary is set. The AI didn't just suggest options, it made decisions and acted for you. This is Agentic AI, not just a smarter chatbot, but a system that takes your high-level goal, breaks it down, and executes each step. It compares flights, checks hotel reviews, avoids calendar conflicts, and finalizes bookings, all autonomously. It's a shift from AI as a passive tool to AI as an active partner. Agentic AI means autonomy, the ability to act independently to achieve your goals. It's like having a super efficient personal assistant who doesn't just understand what you want, but actually makes it happen. Booking a trip is just the beginning. This technology is set to transform how we get things done. That's why there's so much buzz about Agentic AI right now. It's not just about convenience, it's about a new way of working with technology. Let's dive into what makes Agentic AI so different. So what exactly is Agentic AI? At its core, it's a system that perceives its environment, plans, and acts to achieve goals autonomously. Think, perceive, plan, act. Give it a goal, like organize my photo library, and it figures out the steps, then does them for you. Unlike traditional AI, which waits for commands, Agentic AI takes initiative and handles complex tasks on its own. Large language models, LLMs, power this autonomy, breaking down your request into logical steps and using tools as needed. You set the objective, the agent handles the execution. It's a shift from operator to manager, delegating, not micromanaging. To see why Agentic AI is a leap forward, let's compare it to traditional reactive AI. Your smart speaker answers, "What's the weather?" But only when you ask. It's passive, waiting for prompts, doing one task at a time. Agentic AI is different. Set a goal, like, "Help me stay healthy." And it proactively monitors your schedule, suggests healthier lunch spots, and even reschedules meetings. Traditional AI is a specialist tool. Agentic AI is a general-purpose problem solver. It can select and use the right digital tools in sequence to achieve your goals. Architecturally, Agentic AI is modular. A reasoning engine, usually an LLM, orchestrates a suite of tools. It can tackle new multi-step problems it wasn't explicitly trained for. The difference? Traditional AI knows answers. Agentic AI knows how to find and act on them. That's a massive upgrade. It's the difference between a machine that waits and a machine that works for you. Why is Agentic AI such a hot topic now? The answer: breakthroughs in large language models. LLMs like GPT-4 can understand complex instructions and plan steps to achieve them. Before LLMs, autonomous agents were brittle and hard to build. Now, agents can reason through ambiguity and adapt in real time. Add the explosion of APIs, digital doorways connecting apps, and agents can act across platforms. LLMs provide the brain, APIs provide the hands and feet. This combo lets agents orchestrate tasks across the digital world, not just inside one app. It's a paradigm shift from single-purpose apps to agents that can automate anything you do on a computer. That's why every tech company is racing to build the best AI agents. The possibilities for Agentic AI are huge. Personally, it could manage your home, reordering groceries, scheduling repairs, paying bills, even helping with homework. Professionally, agents could automate research, write and test code, or optimize business operations. But with power comes risk. What if an agent misunderstands a goal or a hacker takes control? Security, safety, and accountability are major concerns. We need robust guardrails, ethical guidelines, and clear responsibility when things go wrong. The technology is moving fast, forcing us to ask, are we ready for autonomous machines acting on our behalf? As we enter this new era, the real question is, are we ready to manage the managers? The future is here, and it's agentic.